Hello, it's me again, and this is another sound design lab that I made practicing Unreal Engine and Wwise. This time I decided to challenge myself with this project because it has a lot of interesting elements to add sound to and implement. Also, the project is well organized for efficient work. After I played it and made a list of sounds, I started with creating and organizing the Wwise project, making groups, buses, sound banks, etc. I'm gonna skip the implementation part because it's not an Unreal Wwise tutorial, it's just a showcase. I just wanna thank Qualified Dev for such cool assets. I started with ambience, and the idea was to make state in Wwise so the ambience is heard only while the player is outside the room and fades down when we go inside. Next, I created a simple track as a background, and here I wanted it to play almost like it's coming from inside the room while player is outside. So I used the same state parameter to apply low pass and volume drop. But when the player goes inside, we can hear the music track as it plays inside the room. I used Massive to create some UI sounds for the white panel and light changing. And for the rest of the sounds, buttons, footsteps, shots, debris, etc., I used Weaponizer and Reformer Pro by Crotus. I guess having these two plugins covers almost all of your needs. So these are my UI and button sounds. Footsteps, tool sounds, also, this is how attenuation works in Wwise. It adjusts sound parameters based on the distance between the source and the camera. These are sounds for different items and how the player interacts with them. Cap and glass breaking sounds. Door sounds. Window sounds. Destruction sounds for other projects, and I also added debris sounds that are triggered when the player interacts with them. Then I mixed this session, and this is my final result.